Welcome back to the future of driving. In 2026, Chevrolet is taking keyless convenience to the next level, and it all fits in your wallet. Introducing the all-new keycard for the 2026 Chevy Traverse, a high-tech alternative to the traditional key fob that's set to redefine how we get behind the wheel. So, how does it work? Simple. To unlock the Traverse, just tap the card on the designated symbol near the driver's side window. To start the engine, tap again after entering the vehicle. And when you're done, turn off the car and tap the card one last time to lock it securely. Gone are the days of fumbling for bulky key fobs or worrying about dead batteries. This slim, credit card-sized device brings modern elegance and effortless access straight from your pocket or purse. And it gets better. Each 2026 Traverse can support up to 8 unique key cards, perfect for families, fleet owners, or anyone who wants to share access without handing over a physical key. Now, if you're wondering where this feature lands in the lineup, it's optional on the LT and Z71 trims as part of the Driver Confidence package and standard on the top-tier High Country and Sporty RS models. Mark your calendars. Dealers will begin accepting orders starting June 12, 2025, with production scheduled to kick off around July 14, 2025. This isn't just a gimmick. Chevy's key card brings them into direct competition with tech-forward brands like Tesla, proving that innovation isn't just for electric cars anymore. The 2026 Chevy Traverse is more than just a family-friendly SUV. It's becoming a lifestyle upgrade. With the new key card feature, Chevrolet is making a bold statement. The future of car access is here, and it fits perfectly in your wallet. Subscribe for more updates on the 2026 Chevy Traverse and the latest in automotive tech. Thanks for watching. See you in the driver's seat.